Welcome to the most chaotic place on earth, a dog daycare. If you love puppy pandemonium, hit subscribe now. From the moment these furry tornadoes arrive, it's non-stop action. The escape artist treating every door like a challenge, the social butterfly befriending everyone, and the drama queen overreacting to playful nips. The staff are professional chaos coordinators, armed with treats and endless patience, separating troublemakers, comforting shy pups, and managing 30 unique personalities. The best part? It's pure, unfiltered joy. Pups making friends, burning energy, and giving parents stories to laugh about. Drop off your furry friend and join the most entertaining chaos on the planet.